It's a storm.
Is a storm
Yes,
happening?
it's Alice Cooper and Iron Maiden. It could never be a storm like this. There would never be a tornado at an Alice Cooper Iron Maiden show.
So we have to wait
never
before we
happen.
go on stage because of the tornado?
You can go on stage anytime you want, but ain't nobody else going out there.
Oh really?
Yeah. You can go play in the rain.
I'm gonna go out and do my dance routine.
Yeah. Yeah, Ryan's back out there watching. We should go out the back deck and watch out the back side.
Yeah, well, we're gonna go out. Alright, well, what's going on?
There is actually a major storm that just is right over this right now.
Any tornadoes
You gotta
going
see it. I actually saw a wind tunnel cloud.
Oh really? So should we go out and check it out? Oh. Wow, that's crazy. For a show that's been delayed slightly.
Proper rain delay procedures. This is what we do every rain delay. How many rain delays have we had this tour?
This is our first rain delay.
Yeah.
So we don't want to get struck by lightning. Otherwise we're going to have to use a lot of hairspray.
A lot of you guys out there think that Ori can just play guitar. Well, no.
I'm actually a great
She also.
male.
You are not giving the Korean women any sort of job. You're completely giving them job security.
I'm done.
I don't know. Please don't go to the Ori manicure pedicure shop. If you do, expect nail polish on your teeth.
This is the backstage area. Tour. We're going to go to the catering. Exciting stuff here. It's massaging time.
I can't get my hands around his shoulders, goddammit.
Yeah, it's you can do whatever you want.
How are you doing?